Because when I say clutch down, you're reaching for that one.
I don't know why I keep
Tell me what the clutch is, Erin. Which one is the clutch?
This one.
That is it. Okay. If the car is rolling like this, if you found too much bite, the car will roll. I don't want to see that. That's a loss of control. That's you finding too much bite and going when you don't intend to. So it's the thickness of a pound coin. If you found too much and the car starts going or creaking like that, just down again, down on the clutch, just ever so slightly, and then you can restart. Okay? Come on, you've got this. Very good. Well done. Keep those feet nice and still, Erin. What comes after prepare? Well remembered, Erin. Really good. I can see a postman, so we're going to signal for him. What happens now? Beautiful. Really well done, Erin. That was fantastic. So what don't we need anymore? We don't need the clutch, which you've done brilliantly. We don't need the... Oh, brilliant. Well done. Very good. That was 10 out of 10. Really good. Well done.